Hey guys, welcome back to another hair review. Thanks to Nadula Hair for sponsoring this video. We're gonna see what we're working with. Oh, it's color. Yes. Okay. So we have a wig cap, edge band. We have a bag to store our wigs. Okay. The box. And of course, this is the wig. Now, it's a 7x5 Bye Knots lace wig, kinky curly, 33B. It's colored and it has finger coils. 16 inches. Let's go in it. I'm super excited because let me tell you something. I've been rocking those finger coils and you guys absolutely love them. Now, this is how the wig is. It's already in the middle part. You guys are seeing the color. I will show you guys the color in better lighting, but they already finger coil some of the wig, which is amazing. And I really like that. It's 16 inches, so it's gonna fit perfect as the finger coil. Now, this is how it is. You can recreate your finger coil, of course. Can you guys see the color? Let's go outside to see the color. So we are gonna install this, and of course it has a drawstring because you need a drawstring to fit any head size. So when you're purchasing on their website, you don't have to worry about the size because the drawstring fits any size. You just pull it and tuck it under, and once it's stuck under, you won't see anything. Now we have the ear-to-ear band, which is gonna help. We have the silicone strap as well, which is also inside, and that is perfect. And of course the invisible drawstring. I love how this cap is breathable. You see that? It's gonna be secure on your head, so don't worry. It's one wig fit any head size. I really like it, and this wig is gonna be secure because this, trust me, ear to ear for a 7x5, it works wonders. So you guys are gonna love it. I can't wait to install it, but let's see the color and then let's get to installation. And there you guys are seeing the color. This is how it looks. Once it is done, you will see the finished look, and I'm excited because this color finger coil is gonna be beautiful. So let's install it and see the result. Alright guys, let's get into this install. As you guys know, I just sleep my hair back and put a cap on, and that's all. And we're gonna see how the wig will look on our head. Make sure your hair is sleep back. That way you have less product on your hair. This is gonna look so good. I am excited. It's a very simple wig. All you have to do now is pull the drawstring, and so I'm gonna tighten this. I love this upgraded cap because it's from ear to ear, and you guys will see once I snug this. It's from ear to ear. I try not to make mine too tight because I will be keeping this wig on for a minute, and then you just finish the rest of the wig. It also have a comb at the back. Once you tuck that under, then that's how you're gonna pull the drawstring, which I need to. I'm not even gonna take this wig off again. We're just gonna get into it because it's gonna be super easy to install. Like, I'm looking at it and I love the way how it looks. I'm gonna show you guys once I pull this under the drawstring. This is it. So we're gonna tuck it under, and you guys are gonna see how seamless it is. Now the wig is fitted. Like, you see that? You can make it very much glueless. I'm on a different chair, so I have to turn. Hopefully guys can see. Now this is the remainder. Once you pull it, you tuck it underneath. So everything is tucked away and it should look something like this. Now this is a 16-inch, so I won't be doing any updo or anything like that. So it is perfect. And this is how the wig should look on your head. Very, very secure. I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna pluck some of it, just a little bit. I really don't like going in my wig and plucking it because, yeah, just simple as that. Now, I'm wondering, should I glue this down? Not glue it down, but spray it down. We are gonna see. But I like it so far. You see the finger coil? Wait until I define it. It's gonna be beautiful. So just keep on watching. And if you're this far, please like, share, and subscribe. Let me know what's your favorite wig. Do you like the finger coils? My favorite. Now I have it in this color. I can't wait to show you the end result. So stick around. So guys, now the wig is on. Ooh, I like it. We're gonna use some mousse. I'm gonna add some oil, just a little bit of oil before I add the mousse to it, so when it dries, everything can be in it. And then I'm gonna add my mousse. Well, this is the latter body. I like to use it because it's not stiff. And then we have the spray bottle. So you guys can keep on watching. I'm gonna show you guys after I'm done how I get the finger coil. We already have some, but I'm gonna make all the way finger coils. It's so quiet, but I hear you. Alright guys, we are done with this side. Now we are gonna do this side. Let me tell you, this hair is soft. I am impressed with the texture of it. It's super soft. So this side is done. We're gonna wait until it's self-dry. I know you guys cannot see the color like this, but when I do this, you're seeing it. No, because it's wet, you're not really seeing the color. So once I'm done, I will get into that. But I wanted to tell you guys and let you know the hair is soft, which means even with the finger coil, it's gonna be super easy to spread them apart. If you want to do that, that's what I'm going to do because it just looks cute like that. So this is it. One section is done, and I realized that too, even when I'm wrapping it around my finger, it wasn't tangling or anything. So that's something that is perfect. So anyway, we're gonna wet this side up. I like to section it in two, and I like to add the mousse first, then wet it down, and then I'll brush it out, and then I'll go single in with the with my finger. And then another trick to it is each time I'm twisting one, I'll add a little bit of mousse to a section so it's easy to be wrapped around. But anyway, we're gonna add the mousse to it first, and then we're gonna spray the water, brush it out, and then we're gonna do finger coil. So keep on watching. Okay guys, we are gonna let this self-dry, and I will be back with the final look once everything is dry. I like to leave it and let it self-dry, so I'll give it a couple of minutes, maybe 30 to 40 minutes or even an hour, and then I will show you guys the final result. I know you guys are not seeing the color as yet, and it's there. You will see it. Yes. Okay guys, actually it's the next day, so I did my finger coil and I realized it was too late to show you guys the color of the hair. So we're back today. We are gonna open these curls. They are dry. They look so nice, and I love this texture because you can actually form the curls you want. Now remember, you can wear it as is with the curls it came with. You see how that's looking while separating these? So each one, we're just going to separate it in 2 or 3 depending on how I did finger coil the hair. And this is how it's going to look. Just keep on doing that. Alright guys, so we're taming the hair. Everything is out now. I highly recommend finger coil with this wig, and it is super soft. I love that about it. It's 16 inches, so obviously you have to stretch it to get the full stretch length, the hair. But what I am going to do right now, there's more to open. You can leave some with more curls just to make it have that more natural look to it. So I think that's what I'm going to do. What I'm gonna do right now is all these ends, I'm gonna look for it, and we're just gonna razor cut down the ends. But this is beautiful, just to make it be on one level, not too much now. I'm so happy this is not a longer length. I think I like it as a 16 inch. What I'm gonna do to kind of get everything level is I'm going to add a little bit of mousse to my hands and just kind of make it even out. But I really like this. Remember, I'm just cutting a small amount, not a lot. The curls, it's given like it's a 14 inch, which I don't mind. I actually love this. It's beautiful. I know this will look good as a side part as well. It feels so good. It is not crunchy, and oh, you can wear this for a long period of time before you actually have to go in and wash it and touch up the curls again. So I like that about it. But this is it. Let's get into the final part. Yes, guys, this is it. I absolutely love it. Nadula, you did again. Now I will show you guys the color in the outside. Okay, you see that? It is beautiful. I love that it's toned down inside, but when you go out, you're seeing the actual color. But this is how it looks. What are your thoughts? I'll definitely have the link in the description. It is beautiful. It's soft. Oh, it feels so good. I love the texture because it's still soft, and you're able to run your fingers through the wig. You're able to, you know, and you can actually wear this curl for weeks before you have to wash the hair again. Now, the curls is my favorite because they're soft, they're juicy, and the whole texture of the hair is perfect. Nadula, you did this one. If you want this exact wig, it will definitely be in the link in the description, and I'll have a discount code for y'all too. So make sure you check it out. And thanks to Nadula again for sponsoring this video. Remember, this is 16 inches. You have to stretch it to get the inch, so it's looking like a 14 inch, which I don't mind. I absolutely love it. And the color, it's giving spring, summertime. Okay,
so we are coming with a force, yeah. Blessing the reaper, we coursing on full.